To remove ripple effect when unlocking the phone with fingerprint in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to disable unlock animation feature for fingerprint. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under security section, tap biometric. Tap fingerprint. Next, enter your current secure screen lock. As the example, if you use pattern, draw your pattern. And then tap the blue on off switch next to show animation when unlocking to disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is off. Now your phone will not play a ripple effect around the fingerprint scanner when you unlock your phone with fingerprint. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.